Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Kevin's Woodworking. Today I'm going to be making a smorgasbord, not a cutting board, but a smorgasbord. I got a beautiful piece of pecan here, which is hardwood. So everybody out there saying I need to make my cutting board out of hardwood, we got another cutting board video coming while we using the pecan. So stay tuned for that. But right now, the first thing to do is going to be to plane that bad boy. As always, safety first. Peep the new hat, by the way. Smash that subscribe button if you're new. I appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and run this bad boy through the planer about 2 or 3 times. Then I'm going to turn the camera off and go ahead and plane the rest of it. This is the first side of that beautiful pecan. As you can tell, from that to that is a huge difference. Next time I need to put on my my protection for my nose. I think I just got about 1 inch of dust in my nose. So I've been reading y'all's comments. I've been slacking, so I'm gonna do better. But either way, I'm gonna go ahead and plane this other side, and we'll be back with you. We got our beautiful piece out of the planer. She's looking real nice. Back side. Now what we're going to do is we are going to figure out how and where we want the handle and what we want it to look like. So we're going to do a little bit of drawing to figure that out, and then we'll get the cutting on the scroll saw. All right, everybody, so we got our design here. This is what it's looking like. Going to be our handle. A nice big board here for your cheese, your crackers, you know, all the good stuff. So we're gonna go over to the scroll saw and we're gonna get the cutting. We're gonna get the cutting. I'm gonna do a, what you call it, a time lapse. I'll let you listen to some tunes while I cut this. So that was absolutely terrible, but we got our rough shape of our board. Now it's going to be the sanding process. I'm not going to bore y'all with that, but like I say in every my videos, we're going to start out with 60, bump it up to 120, 220, 320, all the way up till we get it nice and smooth. So we're going to cut it when we're finished. We got our board nice and profiled now. I used a power sander on this, got everything nice and profiled, backside sanded pretty well. So now it's going to be time to cut our handle, or circle in our handle. Let me find a good bit. It's probably perfect right there. Let me grab the drill. All right. Let me see what we got here. Let me get a tape measure really fast. Y'all know I'm bad about this, but I just want to go. We got 4 1/4. So we'll go 2 1/4 center. And then this way we got 4 inches. So then we'll do 2 inches. So I think that right there is our drill spot. If not, like I said, everything's unique. It's supposed to be unique, so we're gonna bring it over here. Just because this table is a lot more sturdier than that table saw right now. Clamp that thing down. All right. Here we go. I think our battery on our drill's dying. And now we're gonna sit here and shape this out with a metal file. I don't even know if this will work, but
stuff made by hand because it doesn't have to be perfect. Hey, y'all chill out now. Dexter! Apologize about that. Dexter likes to get a little rowdy with the other dog sometimes. There we go for that side until we get some sandpaper. I'll flip it over. Hey, y'all stop! Sorry about that, guys. Put Dexter in. So here's our back side.
then we'll hit that with some sandpaper, everybody, and we'll come back to you. All right, everybody, so we got everything sanded up to 320. I mean, she is nice and smooth. The handle looks great. Everything looks great. So you know it's that special time now. We're gonna throw on some butcher block conditioner, food grade mineral oil. You know when you sit them cheeses, them onion, that salami on that bad boy. We're gonna go ahead and get into pouring this stuff out on here. Get it real nice and thick. Oh yeah. We're gonna apply this stuff really thick for that first coat. And you're gonna want it to sit there for like 15-20 minutes before you come out and wipe it more in there. But that thing is looking nice. I'll go ahead and lift up on it. Make sure we get everything. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get inside of our handle. Pretty nice and thick. We put some more stuff on our cloth here. We're gonna go for this side here. Oh yeah. And we did sand the bottom side for I forget whatever his name was in the comments, but y'all can go look at my cedar table video. Somebody commented and said I need to do better and finish the bottom piece of the project too. So I just wanted him to know that it is fixed on the bottom side. It is sanded up as well. I need to build me a new workbench, obviously, so I ain't got to use stuff like my table saw to do stuff like this on. But I just got this table saw, actually. It was given to me by my wood supplier. Shout out to him. And right now it needs a new switch, so I bought a new switch and we're working on it. I put a new blade on there, everything like that, all that fun stuff. So for the bottom side, I'm gonna go ahead and wait until we get this top side finished, so we don't get anything on that table saw stuck to it. So we're gonna let this right here sit for like 10-15 minutes, and we're gonna come back to it and massage all that up in there. All right, everybody, so it's been 20 minutes. We're gonna massage the rest of this in there. Wipe all the excess off. God is a thing of beauty. Just a thing of beauty here. Beautiful pecan. Get that back side. I'm just gonna prop it right here. Nice edges. All right, everybody. That right there is our finished product. This is our beautiful pecan smorgasbord. Didn't take too long to make. It's also a simple, easy project. You know, if you don't have a scroll saw or anything, you can end up using one of these bad boys. I believe this is called a coping saw. Just take longer. But yeah, came out very beautiful. And y'all know me, I'm gonna put some end shots at the end, show it off, show some pictures and everything. And might even see me eat some cheese off this bad boy. So appreciate everybody for watching. Thank all y'all for the support. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you know when I post. We're posting every single Saturday, and we might go every single Saturday and Wednesday, but for sure every single Saturday. Thank you all for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Alright guys, it's time to put the smorgasbord to work. It's time to eat. Hats off. Alright, let's do it. Mm-hmm.